So friends, let's make this delicious Goan green chicken curry. Now here I've taken a quarter kg or 250 grams of chicken. I'm using boneless chicken. You can use chicken on the bone. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now mix all of this really well together so that the chicken pieces get nicely coated with the marinade. And you're going to set this aside at room temperature for about 15 minutes. So just cover and set it aside for about 15 minutes. And now we're going to work on the green paste. So here I have 1 cup of fresh coriander leaves which I've washed well. I'll leave tips on how I do it. This is 2 green chilies that I've just cut up, 1 inch of ginger. This is about 8 cloves of garlic, small cloves, 1 teaspoon of tamarind. And this is 10 peppercorns, half a teaspoon of cumin, 4 cloves and 1 inch of cinnamon. Now we're going to add all of this to our mixer jar. I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of water and we're going to grind this to a very fine paste. So this is our paste and this is the masala water. So here I'm using my Goan earthen pot in which I love to make this chicken curry. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm just going to spread the oil all over. I got this from the Mapusa market. And I am going to add 1 medium onion chopped fine once the oil is hot. Now when you cook this authentic Goan curries in this mud pot, you know, it's just the flavor that comes out of this and it just tastes amazing. So fry this onions till it becomes nice and soft for about 3 minutes. Add 1 medium sized tomato that I've chopped fine and mix it all in really well. Now we're going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi powder and again mix all of this really well together. I remember my grandmother, or my Goa Nana I used to call her, she used to make this chicken curry on the wood fire and the entire home used to have this lovely aroma of the chicken curry getting ready. Now I'm going to add the marinated chicken. Of course, she used to cook it with, the country chicken, which has its own lovely flavor. And, we used to have this with some hot pav or some rice, boiled Goan rice. So now I'm going to fry the chicken in this bagar really well. And then I'm going to cover this and cook it on a low heat for 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes when you'll see that the chicken and the onions have left some water and the chicken has cooked in that juice really well. So there's a lot of flavor, in this curry. You can see that there's some liquid. So that's like some chicken stock where the chicken has left or the water has oozed out. Now we're going to add this green paste that we have prepared. Mix it all in really well and you're going to add the reserve water or the when you grind masala in your mixer pot, you just add a little water so that you don't waste any of that goodness. That is the masala water. So it's about 1/4 cup. Now I'm not making this curry very watery. I like it a little on the semi-liquid side, but if you want you can add some chicken stock rather than adding water and get it to the quantity that you want, the liquid part of it. But add chicken stock, just take 1 Maggi chicken cube, boil it in some water and add that. Now again I'm going to cover and cook this for a good 3 to 4 minutes on a low heat. The aroma in my entire home is so good and it makes me so nostalgic. I can really I feel like I'm sitting in my Goa house and my Nana is making this curry. So you can now give this curry a taste and see whether you want to adjust the salt, etc. And now I'm just going to add about half a teaspoon of vinegar. I'm using regular vinegar, but if you're lucky and you have the Goa vinegar, you can add that too. Mix everything well and again we're going to cover and cook for 2 minutes. And that's it, guys. Our lovely Goan authentic style green chicken curry is all ready. I'm going to have it with some rice, but you can also dip some pav and enjoy this lovely goodness. So I hope you give this very simple and easy but delicious recipe a try. Today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.